Hi friends, remember I told you I was looking at some cool trash in my house and I gave you a challenge to figure out what you could make out of it? I had some foil, that was one of my ingredients, also a big piece of cardboard and some toilet paper tubes. Well, I want to show you what I made with the foil and the toilet paper tubes. So watch carefully. And parents, guess what? I just made this up. I didn't look it up. I didn't research it. I just look at the trash that I had collected. I have a bag of trash that I keep collecting. And then I just looked at what I had and figured what I could do with it. This is going to be a really cool activity that you can do that is great for fine motor skills. And you'll see I just added a little twist on there with some numeral recognition and attaching the quantities to it. But you could change this game however you want to. I love to see your ideas too. Okay, well, my toilet paper tubes are taped down to a box lid, a container lid, and I decided to lay some numerals on top of them. I wrote these on cotton circles just for something different. So I have a 3 on top of here. And then I have my foil, and I took the foil and I ripped it. So I'm getting this great fine motor skills here. I'm just pinching and pulling and ripping and making little tiny balls, squishy really tiny little balls. And in the middle, now I have a whole bunch of little tiny foil balls. I even took one for the team and ate some Dove chocolate for you to use the wrappers. You're welcome. Okay, so I have all these cool balls here in the middle, and I have some toilet paper tubes that are taped down just with some washi tape or masking tape, whatever you have. And so now these are attached to my surface. And I found an empty dish container. Do you know what you can do with this? You can blow the balls into the tunnels. So if I squeeze it, see if I can do it while I'm videoing here, the air is pushing the little tiny pieces of foil all around. And this one says 2. So I can make a game where I try to push only 2 pieces of foil into the 2 tunnel. You don't even have to add the numerals if you don't want to. You could just have fun just making the tiny little foil balls and then trying to get them inside the tunnels. You can make a maze out of them. I can see a lot of friends attaching them together and making a maze. But if you squeeze the dish detergent bottle, it pushes the little foil balls around. You can make a whole cool maze with them, some tunnels. You could attach some numerals to it and try to get your child to put 9 in this tunnel and 3 in this tunnel. You can have some pretty cool adaptations. All this is a container lid, some pieces of foil that I ripped and rolled tightly, and some toilet paper tubes that I taped down onto a box lid. I'd love to see what you do with your trash today, friends.